The first alert weather day is tonight, tomorrow, and on Wednesday as we deal with this very, very cold weather. And you can see it on your 19 first alert weather app. 6 right now, 6 degrees in Cleveland. That's not the dew point temperature. It's the actual air temperature, 6 degrees. The dew point is below 0, so the air just incredibly dry. And it feels like it's 9 below. We call that the wind chill. Got a little breeze out there, so that is going to make it feel awful this evening. I mean, our wind chill overnight may dip down to 15 below. It's going to be crazy cold out there this evening. This is way colder than average. Air temperatures even dipping below 0 this evening. 1 below at 2 in the morning, 1 below at 4. And again, it'll feel even colder than that. -5 to -15 our forecast wind chills overnight. We did get some sun today, so that kind of took the edge off of the cold a little bit. And it's not snowing, which is always a good thing, right, in a really brutally cold pattern like this. But I do think we could see a few snow showers overnight, mainly the eastern lake shore. So Lake County, if you're watching us from Ashtabula County, you could see a little light snow overnight. Few more scattered snow showers on tap for tomorrow, even outside of the snow belt. So everybody wants to know, number one question, when is it finally going to warm up again? And is it ever going to get above freezing again? We'll talk about that coming up in my first alert forecast.
Other parts of the country, because this deep freeze is impacting a lot of the country. In the mid-30s in the panhandle of Florida.
That's cold for them.
That is cold for them. So we're talking 10 degrees right now for us. That is incredibly chilly. But boy, in parts of the South, they are dealing with unreal temperatures.
And by the end of the day tomorrow, they're going to have more snow on the ground in Baton Rouge than we will.
Wow.
I know. It's kind of crazy, right?
The system's all over the place.
It's all over the place. It's January seems to last for like 2 months, right? Doesn't it? The cold weather here. We've got, of course, our local cold weather advisory. This is for everyone in our coverage area now through Wednesday. So sustained cold is going to be an issue for us. Wind chills as low as 24 below 0. It's been quite some time since it's been that cold. You really have to go back to December, right around Christmas of 2022, when we had that big deep freeze out there. And I would say this qualifies as a deep freeze, right? It's 6 in Cleveland right now. Feels like 9. It's 3 in Mansfield. It feels like 12 though on your exposed skin, which is why we always bug you to like bundle up, right? We don't mean to nag you, but you know, the wind chill is not going to impact you if you're all covered up. You could only see my eyes, I think, when I walked into the office earlier. So I only want to see eyes for the next couple of days. Next few hours, just absurdly cold. The wind chill like 5 to even 15 below. Waking up tomorrow, here's our wind chill. And you can see it's right around 10 to 15 below pretty much everywhere. Tomorrow afternoon, still feeling like it's well below 0. That wind chill will probably never get above 0 during the day tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, dangerously cold. Our wind chill may get down to 20 below, even 24 degrees below 0. So bundle up, please, or just stay in if you can, right, where it's nice and warm. Of course, tomorrow we will be in that cold weather advisory criteria as we take a look at our minimum wind chill here. Wednesday, -20. That definitely qualifies as a cold weather advisory. To get into our extreme cold warning, we really would need like -25 or colder. So thankfully we don't have that, but we still have crazy cold weather where hypothermia can set in within 30 minutes or so. By Thursday into Friday, those wind chills at least get up to about 3. So that's better. I think you will feel the difference. And then by Saturday, we'll definitely feel the difference. It'll feel like 16 outside. Hey, that's better. And it might even get up to like the actual air temperature, maybe even up to 33 on Saturday. So that will be a little relief for us. But in the short term, very cold. Tonight, we're going down to 1 below 0. That's the actual temperature. Going down to 1 below. It'll be partly cloudy. And I do think we could see a few snow showers out there tonight, mainly along the eastern lake shore. So Lake County, Ashtabula County, but pretty much everybody else is dry tonight. Now tomorrow, I think more areas will see a few snow showers, a little sun out there, inch or less with the snow tomorrow. The big issue is the cold. 7 degrees tomorrow. 7 degrees. I know that's our high temperature, but feeling deep freeze. We're going to talk about a southern winter storm coming up on